What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial, we will learn how to include a CSS background image in your web design. A well-placed background image can enhance the visual appeal of your website, making it more engaging for users. We will cover how to set up the background image, control its size, position, and repeating behavior, and ensure it looks great on different screen sizes. Choose a suitable image for your background. Ensure it is of high quality and relevant to your content. Save the image in your project directory. For this example, we will use an image named background.jpg. To apply the background image, you need to write some CSS code. Now open your CSS file where you will add the styles. In the styles.css tab, type this, and as you can see in the video, and make sure that your background name is background.jpg or any name you want to put in your background. Make sure that your background is also the name you created, like for example, tanjiro.jpg. So make sure that your background image name should be tanjiro.jpg. As you can see, this is the result for background and CSS. You can use the setting tool and background like background image to define the image to be used as the background. Background repeat to set to no repeat to prevent the image from repeating. Background position to set to center to position the image in the center of the screen. Background attachment to set to fix to keep the background image in place when scrolling. And background size is set to cover to scale the image so that it covers the entire background area. And there you have successfully learned how to include a CSS background image in your web project. By following the steps, you can enhance your website's visual appeal and ensure it looks great across different devices. Next, consider experimenting with different images and CSS properties to find the perfect combination for your design. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.